Hello everyone, today I'm back with another video trading pre-London session. So I'm going to start with the top-down analysis, then I will get to the trade ideas for today. So as we can see here on the weekly time frame, we can see gold. It almost closed above this area. It was a really weak closure with no wick, but there was this week on the left-hand side, and I believe the price is going to fill it. On the daily time frame, you can see that yesterday this was a huge bullish candle of about 700 pips, and I believe gold will keep moving another 700 pips to the upside, depending on the news and maybe the interest rate, which the meeting will be in the upcoming weeks. But for now, so as you can see here, we moved like 700 pips, so we kind of need a retracement. So I believe what gold is doing now, it will maybe retrace a little bit and then create a support, and then we'll go back up to this resistance right here. That's a really strong resistance over here, guys. So as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, it's retracing at the moment. I believe it want to create a support. Probably will be right around here. Let's adjust this a little bit. So I am trying to see where is the previous support, where created support and resistance, which is more likely the price will react to it. I believe 360. Yep. Look how many times we rejected from this area. Like that's a lot of time we rejected this area right here. So let's drop down to the 1-hour time frame. As we can see on the hourly time frame, we have the price is rejecting from this resistance at the moment, right here. Let's write down that this was a 4-hour resistance. Yeah, so as we can see, price is rejecting from this resistance on the hourly time frame. So I'm not looking for sales at the moment because as you can see, the trend is really bullish on the daily, and this candle is just probably just creating a bottom wick. So I'm looking mostly for buys, waiting for support to be formed, and then I will be looking for buys from there. So my best case scenario is that price will create support from this area. This 30-minute candle will close bullish back into this range, and maybe on the next 15 break of this area right around here, we can take the buys. But let's see. For now, I don't think I'm interested in sales because, as you can see here, we have like three, or this is way more than three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's almost 4, 5 for a 1-hour candle that moved bearish. And as you can see here, the body of the candle is getting smaller and smaller. Like look, this body of the candle was about 52 pips. Now it is 15 pips. Now like 10 pips, and it's getting smaller and smaller. So that's why I'm not looking for sales at the moment, and I'm just looking for buys. And also second reason is that this previous 4-hour candle did not create a big wick, so there is no wick for the 4-hour candle. So let's wait and see how price will react and how this next 30-minute candle will close. We actually have enough range to the downside, but we need like retest from this area right here, and then we will probably looking for sell, but not really interested in them. So if there's something interesting happen, I will get back to you. All right, guys. So as I was explaining the analysis, it exactly did what I was expecting. That's why I was not interested in sales and I didn't take any sales. Uh, and I was anticipating this candle to reject like this. So I'm just waiting now for the new 1 hour to create a bottom wick. Then I'm going to enter maybe on the flip or the break of this candle previous high, anticipating this till the top of the range of about like 60 pips. Yep, 60 something pips. So as you can see also the 1 hour broke the previous 1 hour, and yeah, it looks interesting. It's just keeps pushing and pushing. I hope it create a little wick before yeah, before it closes, but it didn't create any wicks. So I would like to see just maybe a little or small bottom wick before. Yep, exactly something like that. Trading, and I'm going to place a buy stop right on the flip of the 1 hour candle. I think this is a nice wick around 10 pips. So as you can see here, this candle was about 60-65 pips. So I believe there is some volume now, and let's see how will this trade work out. So as you can see on the left hand side, there is no, it's a clean range. There is no like resistance really. Maybe on the, only on the 5 minutes, so it doesn't matter much. So whenever it triggers me, I will place my stop loss below this current candle for about 14 pips. That will be around 1.4%, I believe, risk. And here also you can see it's really neat and clean. Yep. This was based off the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I think it was like a fake out, but not on the 1 hour. So on the 30 minutes, we can see it's a fake out, but on the 1 hour, it's just a week. So, and it's also bouncing off this trend line. So this trend line is just as an extra confluence. It's not, I don't trade trend lines really, but I just take it as an extra confluence. The 4 hour looks good. It flipped already bullish, and daily, I think it's going to flip anytime soon. So let's see. This week is getting bigger and bigger. Okay, so maybe we can wait for like another 1 or 2 15 minutes to close. Maybe bounce again of this support, and then we can take the rebreak. So yeah, we're just waiting for now. I will be back if this triggered me in. Alright guys, so I have placed the sell stop now because this candle closed strongly bearish. So if it break the previous 30 minutes and it also created a top wick, so if it broke the previous 30 minutes, I just got triggered in. So I believe I'll put the stop loss like around 50% of this candle. Let's check 15. So it retraced 50%, so this candle is around 21, maybe like 10 pips. Flip, so it will be a little bit smaller stop loss. So I'm actually worrying about the break of this week. So if it didn't break, I guess I will try to manage my risk and close half of my position. 12. We have clean range to the left hand side, as you can see on the 30 minutes. Clean range till here. I'm looking for around 20-25 pips. 20-25, yeah, right about here. And let's see. So let me put this pip counter because it looks nice. So if it rejected from here, I believe I should secure, sorry, maybe close 50% because it could just reject and go back to the upside. Yep. Here also, as you can see, here is better throwing, and it's also breaking the trend line at the same time. Put this short position here, stop loss on the previous high, right about here. It's about 1 to 2, but I guess I have to close earlier. So now it's rejecting a little bit. Volume, I believe volume is slowing down now after this move. It was around 140, 150 pips and 70 pips. So I believe volume is slowing down a little bit. It could consolidate in this area, and this is what I don't want to see, the price to consolidate here. Really clean range to the left hand side, yep, till this area right about here. You can see that it is struggling to break this low, around 9-10 pips. It's better for this 5-minute candle to break this low or close below this area. Okay, come on, come on, give us that push. This is really slow volume, and I don't like that. But let's just be patient because you have to have confidence in your setup and be patient to see it play. Give it a room to breathe. I believe a better entry would have been here from the top. It would have been up like around 30 pips now. Yeah, nice. It's re-breaking this candle low. Come on, break. I believe after it break, we're going to see a push. Okay, nice. Yep, so here is the push I was talking about after we broke this previous low. Now we have to wait a little bit, maybe at least till the 15-minute candle close. So now if the price retraced till my entry, I should close half because it already have moved like about 10, 17 pips. Now 15-minute candle is about to close in like 3 minutes. So let's see how does this 15-minute candle closes. I believe if it broke below this area, it will keep going to the range low till here. But we still need some volume, and I don't want to hold my trade uh, past London Open because there's a crazy volume and it could just reject and then keep moving in my direction. All right, it's pushing, now it's retracing. I don't like this retracement. Just patient, guys, or all what we need is a little bit of patience, and that's all. We are up now around, it's almost maybe close to 2%. Come on, it's just 5 pips, 7 pips more. Or maybe till the 15-minute candle closes. Let's hope it will touch before it closes. 15-minute candle is going to close in 1 minute. Yep, see, I am kind of want to secure here, to be honest with you guys. It's already 17, 18 pips in profit. Come on, come on. I believe it can hit this. Oh, amazing. So take profit got hit. Was amazing trade, amazing execution, up about 2.4%. It was just now for this 2500 challenge. We are now up. I think it's almost not 10%, maybe 7 to 8%. We are up on this challenge. So I didn't upload yesterday because I was not feeling well. Let's see how much we are up this week. This week, so yesterday and today. So we're up about $155. I hope by the end of this week we will get till 3K at least. See how precise was my take profit? Look, it's exactly hit it and now it's retracing back. Like, how much is this? Around 1-2 pips of the spread. But I was confident that it will hit my take profit right here. And I'm happy for the execution, patience, everything aligned perfectly. I waited patiently for my setup. W. All right, guys, I wish you have a good day. Don't over trade, don't over leverage. Okay, just be careful and have a good day.